Well, throughout the evening, we have been tracking a few showers and some thunderstorms on action radar. Nothing severe rolling through the area, but at times we did have a lot of lightning, but conditions are starting to really settle down for us. Mostly light to moderate rainfall across parts of the Wiregrass, making their way through Dale County and up into Barber County as well, making its way eastward toward Eufaula and the Chattahoochee River. Some of this is making its way into extreme western Houston County and parts of Geneva County. That will be dying off as it continues to move off to the east toward the Circle City. As far as the temperatures right now, still pretty mild for a lot of us across the Wiregrass. 81 degrees for Bainbridge and Marianna, 80 for Bonifay. Elsewhere in the Alabama side of the border, we're in the upper 70s with the exception of Troy, 73 degrees. Temperatures there were able to cool off thanks to some pretty heavy rain moving through earlier in the afternoon. We actually had some pretty gusty winds up there. A significant weather advisory was issued at one point for one of the thunderstorms around 4 o'clock, and all those storms that moved through the area just added moisture to the atmosphere. Dew point temperatures, the measure of how much moisture that's in the air, it's on the same scale as temperatures. They're in the 70s. That means our low temperatures tomorrow morning are not going to be much cooler than where some of us are right now. The dew point temperature limits how cool we're able to get in the overnight hours, with these in the 70s, mid-70s at that. For some of us, it is going to be staying in the mid-70s for a lot of locations in the overnight, and those temperatures will be climbing into the 90s by tomorrow afternoon. Showers and storms will be rolling through the area. Once they do move in, they will begin to help those temperatures to drop off quite a bit, but before that, with those hot temperatures, heat index temperatures will be likely in the triple digits for a lot of locations. It's not getting pretty close to it, and that trend is going to continue for the next several days, with the highs not getting much cooler until maybe at the end of next week. High pressure is still settled in down to our south, helping to bring in some moisture. A cold front is draped across the lower Mississippi River Valley. That's slowly moving to the east, but really it's going to be draped across the northern parts of Alabama and Georgia, and that's going to initiate some waves of moisture coming across. Dry air is going to be behind that, but that's really not going to be working its way into our area. Unfortunately, we keep the low-end rain chances in the forecast pretty much every day this week, with the exception of Sunday, when they are going to be pretty low across much of the southeast. As far as through the day tomorrow, mix of sun and clouds. We'll have some thunderstorms rolling through the area. Most of that's going to be in the southeastern part of the area, and the greatest chance for the stronger storms will be to our north, and that's actually where we do have the chance of having some severe weather moving through the area. As that front settles in, we're going to be seeing some waves of moisture coming across from the west to the east. There's another wave possibly moving in Saturday. Most of that moisture will be staying to the north of us, but again, for tomorrow, that primary risk area for severe weather is across Mississippi and into northern portions of Alabama, the Tennessee Valley as well. And as we head through into the weekend, looks like that chance is going to be a little bit less. Maybe Pike and Barber counties will see a little bit of breezy winds out of some of those storms that might be moving through. Temperatures overnight staying on the mild side in the 70s. Tomorrow morning, that mix of sun and clouds will be climbing pretty quickly. As far as those temperatures, showers and storms in the later afternoon hours will be with us. If you're lucky to get one of those in your area, that will help to cool temperatures off a little bit. 93 degrees for Friday's high temperature. Heat index temperatures will be in the upper 90s to lower 100s. That trend continues as we head into Saturday. Sunday, mostly dry, pretty hot day. And then next week, we have rain chances Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And those chances are going to be anywhere between 30 and 40%.
You know, I really